Why? Crocs are amazing.
Crocs are amazing. Crocs are the ugliest shoes ever made.
Anyway, it's very comfortable.
No.
It's not that ugly. Come on.
Guys, please help me below. Like Crocs.
No, Crocs is good.
No.
Not
That's
commercial.
completely wrong.
Just.
You know actually how Crocs became so popular?
How?
There was a movie. I think it was called Idiocracy. And they basically were looking for everybody. It's set in the future where everyone's dumb, right? So basically, they looked for the dumbest looking shoe.
Okay.
They found the Croc. They ordered 1 million Crocs because they were the cheapest ones. And that's what started their popularity.
Is it the truth?
It's the truth.
Let us know. I have doubts about it.
Okay, I'll show you. Actually, tell us down below. It's true. Support me.
But
please.
they are comfortable. They are good. I mean, okay, there is not that pretty, but they're still good.
You know what's even worse than wearing Crocs? This is worse than wearing Crocs, whatever is happening here. But also, socks in Crocs.
Excuse me?
Socks in Crocs. When you wear socks and then you put on Crocs.
Yep, and what?
No,
I'm wearing like so.
Alright, okay, well, I'm gonna go hang out with Butch. See ya.
They always submerged.
Yeah, Crocs, hit us up. The only way I'm ever wearing Crocs is if you know.
No.
Okay, we're not doing that.
Don't think about me. It's not commercial.
Okay,
but
okay.
I really like them.
Yeah?
I mean, I'm fine. I like.
But we will eat Mr. Beast bars if Mr. Beast collaborates with us. Come on, Mr. Beast. Okay.
Do already something to collaborate
Do
with
it.
us. Okay, this looks ugly as hell.
This is not okay. It looks like a duck. No.
This
is bad.
This is bad.
Guys,
So-
would you wear this? How much would it take to make you wear this?
Yeah. I mean, no.
No. All right, so we have a toe. We're breaking up a ring.
Ring cutter. We tested this and it worked pretty well.
Yeah. That's good. It's good as long as you're not in a situation where it's like too small and then like it starts puffing up.
Yeah.
Then it really like you have to go to a doctor. Like don't don't test it
exactly.
with a small ring.
Yeah, there's hard to put it there.
Yeah. Hurts your finger.
I mean, only if this part of your finger is bigger than this one. For some reason.
Okay, so we got some teeth for some reason.
Teeth? What
are we doing with teeth here?
Something?
I think you did.
Oh.
What is this?
Vampire high heels?
This is the worst This is the worst crossover I've ever seen in my life. Teeth and shoes.
Yeah. Wow. They just combine these two successful topics, you know?
Yeah, they're like, people like teeth, people like shoes, therefore, thews.
Yeah.
Or sheath.
Oh boy, yeah, look at this. Oh, you saw, there were some dances around high heels where people dancing on it. You saw this?
Yeah, I saw that, yeah.
And once I wear such high heels.
Yeah?
Wow, okay. I almost broke my leg. I mean, I fell immediately.
Yeah, I don't think I've never worn high heels before. I think I'm gonna sit it out.
Yeah, and don't ask me why I wore them.
I didn't ask anything.
No, it was a video, and we just...
Sure, it was a video. Just kidding. Whatever you want to do is up to you. All right, so this is so horrible. Is this the ugliest shoe compilation? I think so. I think so.
Yeah. I mean,
gosh.
what's the reason? What is the situation when you can wear them? Not the Halloween even.
The ugliest shoe contest is the only thing I can think of.
Wow.
Or like the Emmys. Wow.
See, they even didn't show on the human being leg.
It's impressive. Like, what kind of horrible dream did you have to come up with this? Are you okay? Are you all right? Please.
Please, no. Oh, here we go.
Nope.
No.
I want to see it eat something. I want to see it like eat more toes.
Oh, it's like Harry Potter from the Harry Potter movie, where is the
book?
book?
The book.
Like,
yeah, except it's shoes. Nice.
Yeah, that's the same thing.
They should have made two pairs so that we could see them walking in it. Come on, guys, do it right.
Throw them away.
Yeah, just throw them away. Stop showing us your feet and throw them away. 5 Minute Crafts. The next shoe.
Yep. Stay
Stay.
here. Done. We saw you.
We saw you. You were about to click off. You were about to scroll down like that. No. You have to look at these because we have to look at these.
No, because it's should be funny.
No, it's because we have to. Comment down below if you would wear any of these shoes, because I just don't know.
Oh, what's with the tongue? Look at that. There is some
Yeah, it's weird.
with the nail supposed to be. Okay.
Okay, so we got some
Anyway.
more alginate. We're making a nice mold of our foot here.
Yeah.
What now? No, my foot, my toes.
It looks painful.
I
for
like
some
my
reason.
toes. Yeah, it's like phantom pain, where you or like a phantom
Yeah.
limb, where you feel like it's connected to your body, even though it's not.
This is right that what I feel.
Oh, what? Okay, so they made it more foot textured.
Excuse me. Glue gun sticks. Okay. Why? It's
We'll close it. Make a waffle. Glue waffle.
for your waffles and not anymore. Don't
What
use
the
wooden
heck?
sticks.
Why? Why do you do this to your? Why do you do this to your waffle iron?
I don't know, but looks nice.
It does look. I would eat it. Yeah, but
Yeah.
still.
Oh, wow, that's so weird.
I would put it in my mouth just to see what it feels like.
The food itself.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, you
Yeah,
interesting person, I would say.
that's what my mom says. Interesting person.
Yeah.
Oh, it went through the foot. Why are you doing it through the foot? Why are you doing it through the foot?
That
What
looks
does the foot do to you?
painful, man. Oh,
Oh, so they're
what?
making it look more skin-like now. Oh, ugh. Applying makeup to a fake foot is the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Oh boy! Wow, I feel sick.
Yeah.
I feel sick with this nails action.
It's not okay.
So let.
Okay, so it's a sandal? What the what the heck? What is that? That's not even a shoe. You can't wear it. It has flowers in it.
Are you freaking kidding me?
That's not good.
I mean, what is this for? I mean, what is this kind of fashion about? I mean,
I don't like it. I don't like it at all.
oh,
Put it on.
I-
Put it on or I don't believe you.
I hate it. I would say.
Put it on.
So they will. Don't.
Ah! No, take it off!
Yeah.
Alright, so we have some metal feet.
Metal fit and what? Okay, looking pretty accurate.
Yeah, it looks like a foot. Looks like a foot. If I've ever seen a foot, it looks like that.
Yeah, but what is this for?
We're making the mold for the base, the sole of the shoe.
Okay, surprise us.
Let's see. I want to see a really cool shoe now. I want to see a good shoe that I would actually wear.
Oh.
These look like the shoes from Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs.
Hmm?
The spray-on shoes, and then he can never take them off.
That one.
Yeah. This is weird.
This is weird, and I like it.
You like it?
I like for some reason. I think it's kind of nice. But no.
No?
It could be a problem because they are not breathable. I mean,
Yeah, no. Ugh.
but
This looks.
I mean,
It looks
there
funny.
is something. Yeah, it looks funny. It's like a cartoon.
Yeah, it reminds me of like
Yeah.
Duck Dodgers from Looney Tunes
Yeah.
with his paddle feet.
So if it's for the cosplay or something.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, it could be like Teen Titans or something.
Yeah.
Do you remember the Starfire girl? She had
Yeah.
similar boots.
So I guess maybe here's the idea.
Yeah.
What is this for?
Oh, they're making it weird now. Cool.
Oh, wait a second.
They're gonna put laces.
Uh,
Or not.
no, I think you were right.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I think it's very unstable. thing
Yeah,
where
it's
easy
gonna
to
rip.
yeah. Maybe.
Maybe.
I'm sure.
They were like, we have to make the video a little longer, so let's make it weird. Let's make it even weirder. Let's just add something unnecessarily.
Look at this syringe.
It's pretty cool.
I mean, where is this from? Such a syringe.
I don't
mean,
actually know.
usually
Yeah. I guess you could use it for like cooking and baking.
Okay.
Maybe.
I mean, I always thinking like it's supposed to be for the medicine or for
Oh yeah. For
for something.
yeah. So yeah, why is one a different color?
I don't know.
I think it
not
looks-
feel comfortable, to be honest. I think they're like
Yeah, they're like.
Yeah, this kind of you got me right.
Yeah.
They like.
I kind of don't think they're the worst. This is definitely the best shoe so far of this video.
From this video,
Yeah.
I totally agree. Totally agree.
Nice shoes. I would never wear them. Any of them.
Of course. Yeah. What about you guys? Let us know.
Let us know down below.
Which is your favorite shoe?
What's your favorite shoe? What is your least favorite shoe?